Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today I am telling you about the national treasure that is the Chatters Salon online shop. I actually have purchased this Subman product for the past 2 years now, and I've been getting ripped off up until I discovered Chatters. So stay tuned because there's a lot to go over here, but let's start off first with the Mama product. So this is the multitasker. Perfect gifts for guys. I find it so hard to discover really great products or gifts. So from Chatters you can find the salon size of Subman products, and this is their Subman hair, beard, and body wash. They also have a conditioner, but my fiance does not go through that one as quickly, so I picked up 2 big bottles of this and it came out to be at least like $10 less than Amazon, which is fantastic because shop local. But from Amazon I did get the black pumps that come in a set of 2. I'm not sure if Chatters sells those, but I would absolutely recommend getting the pumps. Just keep these on the shower floor and they're really easy to use. And one of these lasts him 6 months. It's amazing. It's like clockwork. Every 6 months there's a new one waiting for him, so it's great. And yeah, both the beard and body wash and then the hair, beard, and body wash and the conditioner smells so fresh. It's just this really nice kind of woodsy scent. Fabulous. So I also got the Sculptor. It's their matte clay, and this is from the Subman collection, but what he has right now is the Sebastian clay one that is a matte finish as well. So they're actually made in 2 different places. This one I think is made in Italy, whereas the other one is made in Mexico or something. But anyway, so this one is from the Subman collection. Looks like the ingredients are pretty similar. So he loves that kind of matte clay to style his hair. So back up with this. I also got this great gift set. So it's the Subman plus Chatters kind of men's health Movember kit, and this was on sale. Really amazing. It has a small version of that beard, hair, and body wash, as well as a conditioner sample, a pomade sample, so not the same as that one but kind of similar, and then a little gel sample. This was like 20-something dollars. Really great price for, you know, little minis that you could refill. So I would absolutely recommend there. I think there are 3 versions of this for different styles or different needs, and 10% of the proceeds went to men's health research. So this was amazing, and it's just going to be the great little Valentine's gift topper, and amazing for traveling. I did get a few things for myself, including a really nice hand sanitizer that was a $5 like add-on. I also bought Osis Elastic Flexible Hold Hairspray. I used this today and it's really nice. It has a great fine mist, even more fine than my Redken Fashion Work 12, which has been my go-to. And the scent of this is a lot more pleasant, so I'm definitely going to be buying this more than that Redken one for like that touchable, really nice lightweight hold that is not sticky at all. So this is fantastic, and it's a great price as well on Chatters. I also got a great sample. You guys, I could not be more happy. I got like Big Sexy Hair shampoo and conditioner in travel size, but like generous travel size. So that's at home in my travel bag, waiting patiently for my next trip. But that is everything. Let me know if you've gone to a Chatters salon or have ever purchased from them, because I would highly recommend it. I'll leave a link down below for you to shop from there. Let me know what you pick up. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this mini haul, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!